Why the Titanic actually sank. The hidden fire.
We've all been told the Titanic sank because of an iceberg. But what if I told you the ship was already doomed before it even left the dock? New evidence suggests a hidden fire burning for weeks was the real reason the unsinkable ship went down.
The secret fire. For decades, we ignored a crucial detail. A massive fire was raging in one of the coal bunkers, specifically Bunker 6, since the Titanic left Belfast. The crew couldn't put it out, so they simply tried to manage it while sailing across the Atlantic.
Weakening the steel. The fire reached temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat was located right next to the area where the iceberg eventually struck. Metallurgists argue that such extreme heat made the ship's steel hull brittle and reduced its strength by up to 75%.
The perfect disaster. When the iceberg hit, it didn't just scrape the side. It tore through the hull like paper because the steel had been weakened by the fire. If that fire hadn't been burning, many experts believe the hull would have been strong enough to withstand the impact, or at least stayed afloat long enough for rescue ships to arrive.
The cover-up? J. Bruce Ismay, the head of the White Star Line, reportedly told the crew not to mention the fire to the passengers. They even docked the ship in Southampton with the damaged side facing away from the pier so no one would see the black marks on the hull.
So, was it a tragic accident or a series of fatal cover-ups? The iceberg might have delivered the final blow, but the fire had already sealed the Titanic's fate. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.